India is blessed with over 14,500 kilometers of navigable waterways. But for decades, this vast asset remained underutilized. Before 2014, only 3 national waterways were operational, with limited infrastructure and cargo movement, leaving rivers that once drove India's commerce and shaped its civilization largely neglected. Then came a decisive shift. Under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, inland waterways became a key pillar of India's multimodal logistics strategy. With a mission-driven approach, India began reclaiming the economic potential of its rivers. Driven by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and implemented by the Inland Waterways Authority of India, landmark initiatives have since transformed the sector. The National Waterways Act 2016 expanded the waterways network to 111 declared national waterways. Backed by transformative initiatives like the Jal Marg Vikas project, multimodal connectivity, digitalization, Ro-Ro and Ro-Pack services, green vessels, cruise tourism, and the Jal Vahak and Jal Samriddhi schemes, India has steadily developed a modern, efficient, and sustainable inland water transport ecosystem. The results speak for themselves. India's waterways are driving stronger logistics, creating livelihoods, lowering transport costs, and enabling sustainable growth. Cargo movement on national waterways has increased by 652%, from just over 29 million metric tons in 2014 to 2015 to more than 218 million metric tons today. Operational waterways have expanded from 3 to 32, multimodal terminals and permanent jetties have grown from 16 to 27. Quite remarkably, during the same 12-year period, investments in this sector have risen from 324 crore rupees to 1,141 crore rupees. Under the guidance of Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Sarbanand Sonowal, India's inland waterways have gained renewed momentum. A strong focus on infrastructure, innovation, sustainability, and waterways development in the Northeast is transforming the nation's rivers into engines of growth for New India. Today, India's waterways have emerged as vital lifelines of New India. The Inland Waterways Authority of India and the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways remain committed to unlocking the full potential of the nation's rivers, driving sustainable growth, seamless connectivity, and shared prosperity.